So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. And then you're going to find a drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. So now you're going to right click on it and then click on Properties and then click on Tools and then find Error Checking. Click on Check. And then you're going to scan your drive. And now as the scan's running, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. Then you want to run this scan. Now as the scan's also running, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on Enter. And you want to run this as well. So you basically want to run all these 3 scans. This one should probably be done by now. So yeah, so just run all these 3 scans. And now for the last step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Now once you complete all the steps in the video and all the scans have been completed, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.